Thanks for listening. I'm Emma Radcliffe. I'm a GP in Tower Hamlets. I've worked here for 18 years. I've been a RCGP North East London faculty climate and sustainability scholar, and I'm currently one of the primary care net zero leads, along with Farah and Sharon, who we saw earlier. My story starts a few years ago when I was an anxious citizen and a concerned parent, really worried about climate change, but I felt really quite powerless to do anything about it. About 3 years ago, I met a group of health professionals who were also concerned. And I became aware that the climate crisis was a health problem. It was my problem as a health care professional. It represents a catastrophic threat to health, and it was my duty to act. But as I learned more about the problems, I learned more about the solutions, and many of the solutions are centered around the care that I wanted to provide as a GP, and as I try to promote health in the community. It is more about listening, less about prescribing. It is about preventing ill health rather than treating it. It is using nature and the community to help heal where possible. It is about reducing health inequalities. It is about valuing our resources and not squandering them. Greener general practice is greater general practice. So here I am today, one of many leaders, although most of us would not call ourselves that, in both local and national networks that have grown exponentially in the last few years. And it feels like a really positive place to be. I've met many people who are not in this for themselves, for their careers. It's because they really care about what's going on, and they have a deep understanding of what we need to do and why we need to do this. We share everything because we know we must, because time is of the essence. And I've never been working in a more positive environment where things grow and change rapidly. But I'm under no illusion about the scale of change that is needed, and neither must you be. We don't need a large tree of change. We need an enormous forest, and we all know that we need that now. And today is part of creating that forest. Thanks.